Village. Nature's Village is a place where your journey to a life of tranquility and luxury begins. Nestled amidst the serene beauty of the Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve, behind Tumedia Dam, and just 3 kilometers away from Fato Eco-Tourism Zone. Nature's Village offers more than just a home. It promises a sanctuary. Choose from our bespoke suites, such as the expansive Forest Heaven or the opulent Woodland Retreat, each designed to provide unparalleled comfort and elegance. These exquisite suites feature premium finishes and sophisticated decor, ensuring a luxurious stay. Relax and unwind in the spacious living areas, enjoy the serene ambience, and take in breathtaking views right from your window. Here, every element is meticulously crafted with your well-being as the cornerstone. From the comforting textures of the ground beneath your feet to the refreshing purity of the air you breathe, every aspect is carefully curated to enhance and energize your life. Our environment is thoughtfully designed to provide you with an unparalleled sense of tranquility and vitality, ensuring that your physical and mental well-being are always prioritized. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and rejuvenation. We take pride in offering well-balanced and mouth-watering meals that are meticulously prepared to cater to the unique dietary requirements of each resident. Our residential colony's clubhouse serves as the vibrant heart of our community. Equipped with all modern and luxurious amenities, it offers versatile event spaces perfect for gatherings and celebrations. At Nature's Village, our dedication to sustainable living is seamlessly integrated with the untouched splendor of the Jim Corbett region. Our eco-friendly initiatives are designed to safeguard and nurture the natural environment, promoting a community that lives in perfect harmony with nature. Our team consists of a diverse group of professionals, including life coaches, energy healers, yoga therapists, meditation experts, dance therapy, music therapy, leveraging cutting-edge technology, we monitor neurological, biological, and energy states in real time. We regularly organize a variety of social events and outings to ensure our residents remain actively engaged and closely connected within the community. Our experienced staff offer steadfast support to our residents, ensuring their needs are met with professionalism and care. Indulge in the pinnacle of spacious luxury with our suite, a beautifully designed 2 BHK retreat that offers ultimate comfort and elegance. Perfect for those who appreciate extra room, This suite showcases stunning forest views and is equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, ensuring an elevated and tranquil living experience. With convenient in-house utility shops, everything you need is just a step away. Nature's Village features a dedicated yoga and meditation center, an administrative block, and comprehensive health care facilities, ensuring that all your needs are met within our community. At Nature's Village, we are committed to sustainable living that harmonizes with the pristine beauty of Jim Corbett. Our eco-friendly initiative aims to protect and preserve that natural environment while fostering a community that lives in unison with nature. We are dedicated to protecting the natural habitats of the local flora and fauna. Experience the delight of seeing children flourish in a safe and playful environment. Opting for Nature's Village means more than merely acquiring a second home. It signifies embracing a way of life that places your well-being, joy, and connection to the natural world at its core. Here, every aspect of living is thoughtfully curated to offer an experience where personal wellness meets the serenity of nature, creating a sanctuary that nurtures your body, mind, and spirit. Become a part of a forward-thinking community where health-conscious living flourishes, where neighbors come together to build meaningful connections, and where the beauty and harmony of nature become an integral part of your everyday existence. Let us guide you in transforming the ordinary rhythms of daily life into an inspiring and extraordinary journey, where every moment is infused with a sense of purpose, balance, and rejuvenation.